Okay, so to convert standard form into slope-intercept form, there are two steps. Step 1, you need to move the x term to the opposite side. That's step 1. So if we're looking at number 1 as an example, 2x plus y equals 3, you need to move your x term, 2x, to the opposite side. The opposite of adding 2x is subtracting. 2x minus 2x is 0, so those cancel. We are left with y equals negative 2x plus 3. And step 2, is to divide by the coefficient of y. We don't actually see a number in front of y, and so if there is no number, that is an implied 1. Okay, and for the sake of going through the steps, I'm going to go ahead and divide by 1, divide by 1, divide by 1. Y divided by 1 is y, equals negative 2 divided by 1 is still negative 2, x, and then 3 divided by 1 is 3, so adding 3. We started in standard form, ax plus by equals c. This is standard form, and we converted it down into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. All right, let's try number 2 together. Step 1, move x to the opposite side. So if we have 4x plus 5y equals negative 30. Again, this is standard form because a is positive and there are no fractions. To move x to the opposite side, we have to do the opposite, so negative 4x, minus 4x. And we're going to subtract 4x here as well. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. 4x minus 4x cancel out. So we're going to bring down the 5y equals negative 4x minus 30. Awesome, we moved it. Step 1 is done. Step 2, divide by the coefficient of y. The number in front of y, so the coefficient, is 5. So we're going to divide by 5 here, and then divide by 5 on the other side as well. I'm breaking this up into two separate 5s. That way you know that you have to divide the first term by 5, and you also have to divide the second term by 5. This becomes just y. Negative 4 divided by 5. That is as simplified as it is going to get, so I'm going to rewrite this. So negative 4/5 x, and then negative 30 divided by 5. That's equal to negative 6. Again, now we have it in slope-intercept form. There's my answer.